What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Miami coin here today. We got big movement going on here in Miami coin. So yeah, we're going to be going over this. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And definitely hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, definitely check out the link in the description if you want to support the channel and donate through that PayPal donation link. It'll be greatly appreciated, as well as the Cash App link. That'll also be greatly appreciated. And if you want automated trading indicators like this right here, watch how quickly this pops up, then definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It'll give you automatic trading indicators like this. It shows exactly when we're on an uptrend, exactly when we're on a downtrend, and it shows our supply and demand areas. Right now, we're having good supply here inside of Miami coin, so definitely check that out. Good demand. So anyways, let's go over this right now. So the first thing I want to speak about Miami coin here, I know you can all see this. Let's take off these trading indicators real quick. You can see that we're inside of a ascending triangle here. This is a bullish pattern. This is very bullish. It's consolidation right here. It's showing that we're literally about to break out right now. Now, just go ahead right now and dump all your money in Miami coin. Remember, whenever you see stuff like this, anything could be a bear trap. But I don't believe this is a bear trap, or a bull trap. A bull trap. This is not a bull trap. I don't believe it's a bull trap at all. I definitely think that we're actually about to break out of this consolidation period. So this is about to be pretty big here with Miami coin. We're about to see a big jump here, probably to this next Fibonacci retracement level over here and break 3 cents, and then possibly up to 3.5 to 4 cents possibly. So we're definitely about to see some big movement here in Miami coin. So you definitely want to continue to watch out for that and see exactly what's happening. Now, if we go ahead and look at these trading signals, watch what we have here. So these trading signals, they tell us exactly when we're about to have a reversal. We were on a strong uptrend, and it says, look, we're about to have a reversal. We're about to go all the way up here to our next supply and demand area. So that's exactly what we did. And then, the second we broke out of it, we went on a little bit of a downtrend, but then we went right back in on a strong uptrend. And then this is when we hit the top of our ascending triangle. And that's when we started to have a downtrend. And you can see that it's doing the automated technical analysis to a T. Like this red area up here, this is the supply and demand area. This is showing you that there's not enough demand to continue to rise. So it just starts to trade between this wedge. And as it trades between this wedge, you see is getting higher and higher and higher. Now it's about to break out because the demand is starting to increase very much. And as you can see, we're also on a strong uptrend as the demand increases here with Miami coin. So this is actually pretty good news here, what we're doing here, and it's really following it to its heat right now. So as you can see, we're just building up this momentum. And as you can see down here with the oscillator, we were oversold the second we started to go between this wedge, and that's what started this movement. And then now you can see the selling is getting less, less, and less. If you look at the oscillator here, every single red mark is getting less, less, and less. And actually the buying is getting more, more, and more. So you're about to see Miami coin break out of this consolidation. This is about to be very good for Miami coin. Even if you look at it from the 1 minute chart, you can still see we are rising slowly but surely to the top of this ascending triangle. So that's pretty good right there. Let's go back to the 15 minute because that looks a little bit sloppy with all those trade signals. But yeah, this is about to be very good news here for Miami coin. So definitely continue to watch out for this. We got some good stuff coming out here in the future. Miami coin did have a little bit of a downtrend from where it was, but if you held on, then good job for you because this is about to break out again. So anyways, this is a really good time period for Miami coin. A lot of different stuff is going on with it. And like I said, everyone that's down in Miami coin, stacking your Miami coin is the best option. And everyone who has Miami coin has it through OK coin because that's the only place to get it unless you actually mine Miami coin yourself. But OK coin is the best way to stack it. I just now actually stacked my Miami coin for the next 180 days inside of OK coin. So because I did it for the first period just to see how it was, just for the first cycle, and then it was pretty cool. I ended up getting $28 out of like $75 to $100 invested. So I was like, wow. And then I took that money and then put it right back in Miami coin and then restacked it. So this is definitely very good. And now I'm just going to have it stacked for 180 days. And it's projected to make like 100 something or, 100 something or 400 something stacks. And then on top of that, after 180 days, Miami coin's price is going to increase as well as the stacks price. So you're really getting more than what they're saying you're getting because the price is actually going to increase. That's why it says 430% APY because it's supposed to be more than what you're actually getting. So this is actually pretty good news for us. I want to move off of these technicals though. We got a lot of different stuff going on in Miami Coin. We're actually up 39.5% in the last 24 hours, and you can actually see the consolidation in the ascending triangle here on this chart here for CoinGecko. So this is actually pretty good news for us, and it shows that we're about to be on the upside very soon. So Miami Coin was down for like the last 14 days, but now we're doing some pretty good stuff here with Miami Coin. So definitely watch out for what's about to happen here. We're about to have some good news, some good movements here inside Miami Coin coming very soon. Now over here you can see the total blocks mined for Miami Coin is now at 8717. That's pretty good right there. And over here we have about 2 billion Miami Coins total claimed, 2.075 billion. This is a lot of Miami Coins mined. That's big right there. And then the total stacked 1.5 billion. Then over here the total committed 21.4 million stacked. So we're doing pretty good here with Miami Coin. Shout out to all the people out there mining Miami Coin, and also shout out to all the people stacking their Miami Coins. Both helps a lot. So a shout out to everyone out there. Now let's go over something here. This is actually pretty big. Art Basel. I'm not really that big in the art world, so I can't really tell you everything about Art Basel. It seems like they are a really big art gallery type thing, and they go all around the world. So it definitely seems like it's really big. And let me know how big this is in the comment for the people that are really into art, because I'm not too sure about art like that. But I do know that 739,000 followers is a lot of followers. So that's definitely pretty big right there. And they have all these different Art Basel showing rooms and all these different galleries all around the world. Over here, Basel, Miami Beach, Hong Kong. So pretty big right there. Miami Beach and Hong Kong are two very big cities. So definitely shout out to Art Basel and Miami Coin for doing this. So anyways, this is actually pretty good news for us because it shows that we might have something big coming in the future. Possibly some Art Basel and Miami Coin NFTs, because we have the Miami Coin actually asking for NFTs over here. So over here they said, who's going to be the first to do NFTs drop only payable on Miami Coin. So over here you can see Art Basel. They actually said Art Basel inside of the comment section themselves. So Art Basel may be the first ones to drop Miami Coin NFTs, exclusive NFTs. So that's actually pretty big right there. So shout out to them for that. And over here you can see the total amount inside the city of Miami's wallet is 12.1 million. So that's a lot of money right there, $12.1 million. And actually, I actually had a subscriber suggest what they should do with their money. Miami Coin has actually been asking people to, make suggestions on what they should do with their money. And over here, this subscriber over here pretty much said this. He said he's an aquatic engineer, and Miami Coin should incorporate water logistic resources and innovation, because he works in the pool industry. So he's saying that, combat the rising sea levels, water logistics. This is actually a pretty good thing. Shout out to Mosquito Balls for saying this, because this is actually some pretty good information. Water logistics will help the city of Miami out so much. So all they got to do is take that money from Miami Coin and incorporate it into water logistics. This is actually a pretty big thing, and this person is actually doing some groundbreaking stuff, making their own Bitcoin miners. So shout out to Mosquito Balls for this. And he's got his own NFTs. If you want to check out his NFTs, just type in Mosquito Balls here on OpenSea, and then you can see all his stuff here. I really like this one right here. This is a pretty cool NFT. This one's definitely gonna sell. So definitely shout out to him right here, because this is a pretty good deal right here that he's got on his NFTs. So definitely check out these NFTs. And yeah, this is some groundbreaking stuff right here, like water logistics, and that's exactly what Miami Coin should be spending their money on. This will definitely be helping the city of Miami out a lot. So yeah, definitely shout out to him, and shout out to the city of Miami. If they can actually go through something like this would actually help them out a lot. But yeah, let's move on to the next subject here with Miami Coin. So the same thing, NFTs and Mosquito Balls. You should definitely make NFTs exclusive for Miami Coin, because they're asking for this. This would actually pretty big for you. So definitely do this. This would be pretty cool. But anyways, over here, every city coins ecosystem will be their own. Another subscriber actually mentioned how, the city of New York would not want to, be owned by city coins. They would want their own entity, and they would have their own entity. They could actually make their own Twitter account, even though Miami Coin doesn't really have their own Twitter account, because they're not really focused on that. The mayor's just pushing Miami Coin through his own Twitter. Like the city of New York or the city of San Francisco can actually make their own, Twitter account. So that'll actually be pretty big, and they're going to be owned by themselves, So city coins doesn't own the ecosystem of Miami Coin. that Miami Coin, like the city of Miami Coin, owns that ecosystem. So that's actually pretty big. Shout out to them for that, and shout out to the subscriber for bringing that information to me, because I actually looked into that, and yeah, Miami Coin definitely owns it. And over here you can see Miami Coin minting schedule drops from 250,000 Miami Coins every block to about 100,000 Miami Coin every block at block number 34497. So the estimated date is October 18th, which you can find under blocks of interest here. So if you want to check the blocks of interest, you can go over here and it'll show you, and they'll show you exactly when those minted change. So the rewards are about to drop to 100K, and as Miami Coin goes up in price, and as it goes up inside likeliness, it's going to keep dropping and dropping and dropping. So this is actually pretty big for Miami Coin. We got a whole lot of stuff going on here. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling you to dump your money into Miami Coin, but I'm telling you we're about to be on a ascending triangle here, or we are in a ascending triangle, and we're heading right out of this ascending triangle into a bullish pattern, quite possibly. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Anything can happen. We could get a bull trap out of nowhere. But anyways, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also check out the link in the description if you want these trading indicators. They're automatic trading indicators for TradingView. It's called Vital Algo. Definitely use the link in the description to sign up for that, and use the discount code Marsellis at your checkout, and that will give you 25% off. So definitely check that out. And if you want to donate to the channel, go ahead and send PayPal donations through the PayPal link in the description, or Cash App link in the description. Either one works, or just like and subscribe. That helps out a lot too. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.